Seen a werewolf with a Chinese menu in his hand. He was walking through the streets of Soho in the rain.
Tell me it's fine, that we're doing okay, at least for today, chasing our dreams away. Tell me there's always another way, just reassure my brain, 'cause I feel crazy when I hear the music get together, even though I know we are apart. When I hear the music get together, but we're not, and it breaks my heart. Even in the high highs and the low lows, by my side.
Hey, do you have like a coconut with coconut coffee with coconut milk or oatmeal?
Of course.
So can I have
coconut, almond and oat.
Yeah. Can I have a coconut latte?
Any flavor? Caramel, cinnamon?
No. Just normal. And can I have walnut honey cake? One slice?
With cream, yeah?
Cream is coming separately or on the top?
Sit next to it.
Next to it, yeah. And do you have fresh juice?
We don't have fresh, but we have something better than that, madam.
The same mistakes that I made when I was 16. Never thought of making money's feeling more like a pipe dream. I take 2 steps forward and 1,000 back. I shouldn't take this long to get my life on track. Yeah, I swear this basement's gonna be the death of me. So I cry out with a hollow voice, and I fade into the background noise. Cold enough, is this what it feels like? To grow up not knowing how to do anything right. Had big dreams when I was 17, but I've tried and tried and tried, and I just don't think I will ever figure out how to live life. How to live life. I remember what you said, Michael, don't quit your day job. Go to college with a loan that you're never gonna pay off. I'm running out of feelings and reasons to get up in the morning. I'm dreaming, but it all turns to nightmares, and I'm scared I might not wake up. Cold enough, is this what it feels like? To grow up not knowing how to do anything right. Had big dreams when I was 17, but I've tried and tried and tried, and I just don't think I will ever figure.
And it could be you. Select payment type. Select payment type. Please follow the instructions on the playset. Would you like a receipt?
Yeah, 70. Thank you.
One more spoon, please.
Pardon?
A spoon. I need one more spoon.
Coffee frap with vanilla.
Thank you.
Hey, Kopol, I have a lot of yummy things for you. You waiting?
Friends on April the 11th this year, which would have been their 69th wedding anniversary. Having been with my other half for 14 years, we decided to make it a double celebration, and at 11 a.m.
I remember what you said, Michael, don't quit your day job. Go to college with a loan that you're never gonna pay off. I'm running out of feelings and reasons to get up in the morning. I'm dreaming, but it all might not wake up. Cold enough.